In our last class we discussed about guidelines for the use of cleaning agents. So today's topic is practical work on the uses of homemade office and cleaning agents. Furniture in the class. Materials needed for cleaning furniture in the class are brush, homemade furniture polish, clean duster, care of buckets. Materials needed for cleaning buckets are homemade cleaning agents, bucket, water, scrubbing brush or hard sponges. Procedures: mix the homemade cleaning agent with water. Dip the scrubbing brush or hard sponge inside the water. Remove the brush or sponge. Start washing. After washing, rinse with clean water. Dry the bucket inside. Store properly. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.